Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Trim your clip to 10 to 15 seconds, focusing on the clearest action. Keep the segment that shows unique visuals or text for best results. Export one or more still frames at 1080p and 24 FPS for image searches. Save those frames as PNG or JPG files with clear file names. Extract audio and save as MP3 or WAV for audio fingerprinting. Note timecodes in the clip and write down any visible text or logos for later searching. Upload frames to Google Images, Yandex, and TinEye for reverse image matching. Use each engine because results and indexing differ by region and platform. Try in VID or Amnesty tools to break video into keyframes and thumbnails for batch searching. Run OCR on frames to capture visible text or logos as searchable phrases. Use audio fingerprinting services and upload the extracted WAV or MP3 for matches. Save all potential matches with timestamps and search platforms with time filters and keywords found in onboard text or audio. Use platform advanced filters for date ranges, location tags, and account names. Check metadata like upload date, description, and linked accounts for verification clues. Compare multiple matches by frame similarity, audio waveform, and upload history. Contact the uploader or commentators directly if identification remains uncertain and politely ask for source details. Document your steps and keep copies of matched frames and timestamps for future reference.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.